In this gig, I will show you how to save the planet and at the same time get paid for doing so. This is a great way for you to make money on Fiverr itself, and it's so simple that anyone can do it. First off, the first way to do this is to actually send seeds of different kind of plants on Fiverr itself. So if somebody really wants to get seeds of a certain plant, you can send it to them using mail. So when they order the gig itself, you put it in the mail, you ship it to them, and you get paid in the process, especially if you live in a place that has a bunch of seeds of the same kind of plant. Somebody in another part of the country or in another part of the planet, they might actually want to plant something. So you could actually go and charge them based on the rate that they're located in. So if they're international, it's going to cost a lot more money to ship this particular item. If they're in United States, it's going to cost less for you to ship this item, and you can still get profit by charging $5 just for you to mail the item to them. The second way to do this is quite simple. All you have to do is to take a tree, plant it, and name it for whoever the person who is buying this gig. There's many different kind of places that you can plant it, either in a forest or your own backyard. Another thing that you have to do is to show them proof that you actually did it. The way that you can do this is take a videotape and prove to them that you actually planted the tree. The people who are doing the same exact gigs and they're just showing a picture of you planting the tree are not getting that much sales, if any sales whatsoever. So you definitely want to do the gigs that are getting sales. As you can see, the top people who are making money using this particular method, they actually have a videotape that is showing of them planting the tree in their specific location. So you can do the same exact thing and get paid by planting trees in your own backyard. This is a simple way to make money on Fiverr.